Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Salma Septia Lara, student number 246121188 from class 4F. We are going to present 5 topics. We hope you enjoy and understand our presentation. Group 1, the topic is key feature of quantitative research. First, using standard instrument, we collect data using standardized instrument like test or survey. Second, larger sample size. The findings are based on larger sample size. Finally, planning before action. We plan everything before we start collecting data. Group 2, the topic is variable in research. What is a variable? A variable, anything we observe and measure. It must be clear and testable. Types of variable. First, independent variable X. The independent variable is the cause. It influences other variable. Example to independent variable is a teaching method. Second, dependent variable Y. The dependent variable is the effect. It is the result we measure. Example to dependent variable, student achievement. Melanjutkan types of variable. 3. Moderator variables. Moderator variable is a variable at strengthen or weakness the relationship between the independent and dependent variables. 4. Control variables. Control variables are variables that are deliberately kept constant or controlled so that they do not interfere with relationship between the main variables. Group 3, the topic is types of non-experimental research. First, descriptive design, used to describe a condition or situation without changing anything. Example to descriptive design, studying students' learning habits in class. Second, correlational design, used to find the relationship between or more variables. It only shows whether they are related, not cause and effect. Example to correlational design, whether student motivation is related to their grades. And then 3, developmental research design, used to study change or progress over time. Example to developmental design, student speaking skill development during 1 year. And then for epidemiological design, used to find patterns, risk factor, or possible causes of a problem in a certain group without giving treatment. Example to epidemiological design, factor that make factor that make students have difficulty learning English. And then five, survey research design used to used to used to collect opinions, attitude or behavior from many people through questionnaires or interviews. Example to survey research design, student opinions about student opinions about teacher teaching method. Group 4, the topic is characteristic and feature of experimental research. First, variable. Experimental research use three variables. First, independent variables. The treatment or factor changed by the researcher, and then dependent variable, the result being measured, and then extraneous variable, outside factor that may affect the result. Second, setting. The place where the experiment is done. It can be in a laboratory or in a natural setting, depending the research. And then three, control. The researcher control all factor expect in independent variable, so the effect of the treatment can be seen clearly. And then for manipulation, the researcher gives a treatment or change the independent variable on purpose. And then the last observation, the researcher watches and measures change the dependent variable to see whether the treatment has an effect. For the topic is concept and types of hypothesis. What is a hypothesis? A hypothesis is an educated guess or temporary answer to a research question. Types of hypothesis. Type of hypothesis. First, null hypo. The null hypo or HO states that there is no relationship or no difference between variables. The second, alternative hypo. The alternative hypo or HA is the opposite, is states that there is a relationship or a significant effect. That's all the explanation from me. More or less, I apologize and thank you.